Okay friends, now let us see how the image is to be formed for the concave mirror when the object is placed beyond C. Okay, so let us consider again a concave mirror. This is what pole of the mirror, principal axis, focus point, center of curvature, right? Little far we can think of. Now if the object is beyond C, let us see where the image is to be formed with the help of ray diagram. So here, let's say object A, B having certain height is placed beyond C. Now to form an image, we require minimum 2 incident ray and 2 reflected, corresponding 2 reflected ray. So one incident ray is passing parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, as we know, it will pass from the focus point. Let's say this ray AX is incident ray, XY is reflected ray, right? Now, the second ray, when we think a second ray, let us say, which is passing from the focus point. Other possible ray also you can think of. But here I am talking about, I will see where the image is to be formed, when the image is to be found, when the incident ray is passing from the focus point. So we people know, let's say this X dash, AX dash is incident ray. So after reflection, where it will reflect on which path, it becomes parallel to principal axis, right? So let's say X dash Y dash is the reflected ray. Now you just find out this reflected ray XY and X dash Y dash, where they are meeting here. Okay, so definitely as they are really meeting, we people can say real images to be formed, and with real, inverted images to be always formed. So real and inverted, so you can draw a perpendicular line from this meeting point of two reflected ray on to the principal axis. So let's say A dash B dash is the image. Okay, A dash B dash. Where it is to be formed? Between C and F. So one thing is clear, that image height is smaller than the object height. That means diminished image is to be formed, right? So real inverted, diminish. Here you can say small size, diminish image or small size image is to be formed where between C and F, right? So when the object is placed beyond C, what type of nature and where the image is to be formed? So real, inverted, small, and between C and F, right? So with that, this is what third possible position of an object. Now let's say fourth position of an object with the pair we are talking about. Okay, so here when the object is placed beyond C, the image is obtained between C and F. So now let's see when object is placed between C and F. Okay, now let's see in fourth position, object is placed between C and F. So again, let's see, this is concave mirror, pole of the mirror, this is principal axis, F and C as it is. Now object is placed between C and F. Let's say again object is AB. Okay, again let us say first ray is incident parallel to principal axis, AX is incident ray, our first incident ray, and as it is parallel to principal axis, it will pass from the focus point. Okay, now you people are very clear about this, that when the this four possible ray, so this is what common, if you consider about the object have certain height, this ray is become common. Okay, now let's see about the second. Now let's see another out of that four possible if I think the light ray is passing incident such a way that it makes an angle theta. So we people know that from this pole it should reflect, okay, and it should reflect making same angle with the principal axis. So let us see where the images will form. Let's clear about this ray. So exact position we can find out for the image. Let's say this is theta. So here this theta we can think of. Now if we extend the rays, this rays, where the images will form, where these two rays are meeting. Let's check it out. See, this is I am presenting with the help of free hand. When you use, you people will get. So here these two rays are meeting. Let's say this xy and this is x dash y dash. Okay, so these two rays are meeting at this point, right? So definitely we people can say as they are meeting real image. But where it is to be obtained, it is very interesting. When the object is placed between C and F, beyond C the image is to be formed. Okay, so real, inverted and what type of images to be formed? And real, inverted and large images to form beyond C, right? So this way you people can understand this object is placed beyond C where the image is to be formed, and when the object is placed between C and F, the image is formed beyond C. So these are two pairs by which you people can easily understand the image formation.